More deer. More deer. I have seen probably 50 deer today. Only one buck though, I think. I see you. You're pretty. Oh, not bird. Birds. Okay, hold on. Come on down. Come on. What? Hi. Oh, hello. Guys. Oh, there's the female. Hi. It's been a great day so far. Going on 2 hours and about 5 miles. I've been kind of walking fast. Oh, so pretty. Walking fast to stay warm. Oh my gosh, there's more over there. Oh Lord. Come on. I'm gonna have to get some more seed. I see you guys up there. Come on. The peanuts are going fast today. Whoops, I'm sorry. Come on. Oh, there's the female. She's a new bird. Come on, girl. Hi. She is a new bird to me today. So that's awesome. Whoops. Hi. Oh, no fighting. Be patient. You gotta share. Don't be so picky. My hand is frozen too. Oh, be nice. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, moving on. I'm gonna go get some more seed, I think, because they have cleaned me out. Pretty much. I have maybe, I don't know, 30 sunflower seeds left. All right. More to come. See ya.